All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs. So keep around. Keep around, yeah. Have something nearby. I keep the book around here. I keep my books around here on the desk. I keep my books around here on the desk. Yeah. I will keep it around there. We'll keep it around there. We'll put this over there and keep it there. They want to keep it around here. How did you manage to keep it around there? How did you manage to keep it only there, around there? How come it didn't go anywhere else? How cool is that? Yeah, so I kept them around here. Yes. Yeah. We kept them around there in a group, in a bunch. In a bunch, yeah. We kept it around here, but I don't know where it is now. I kept that book around here, but I am not sure where it is now. I kept that book around here, but I don't know where it is now. Yeah. Very good. We are keeping it around there. We're keeping them around there. Keeping it close. Keeping it around here. I am always keeping the books that I'm reading around here. So I keep the books I'm going to read around here and here. I'm keeping all the books that I am reading around here. Yeah. So I'm keeping this book. I'm keeping this book around here. And I'm keeping this book around here too. Yeah. Yeah, around here. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So she thinks that we should keep it around the office. Yeah. I normally keep the cutlery around the crockery in the kitchen. Yeah. We don't usually keep it around here in the kitchen though. We don't normally keep it around here in the kitchen. No. We keep it around there in the living room. We keep it around there in the living room. Around there in the living room. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Now, can you use keep around in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.